Hi ladies! Cucumber is great when applied to your skin for the same reasons that it's good for your body when you eat it. It's packed full of antioxidants. It's loaded with anti-inflammatories. It contains beneficial nutrients such as vitamins A, B1, C, biotin, and potassium. Cucumber also lightens, brightens, hydrates, and tones. And that's really only the tip of iceberg. So to speak, cucumber really is a wonderful addition to your skincare routine. I will share with you this amazing mask for face. Just try it and you won't regret it. So, let's get started. Cucumber and aloe vera face mask. Blend or puree half an unpeeled cucumber in a blender or food processor until it's the consistency of a watery paste. Pour the pureed cucumber through a strainer to separate the water from any solid material. I make 3 teaspoons of cucumber juice and 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel and mix well. Cucumber is great for aging skin because it soothes, hydrates, and heals dry skin. And when you add aloe vera into the mix, you've got an especially potent recipe. That's because aloe vera hydrates, heals, and helps reverse the aging process like no other natural ingredient. So, before you apply this mask, wash your face and neck with warm water and an oil-free cleanser to remove makeup and open pores. Massage the mask evenly onto your face, neck and chest. After 15 minutes, rinse off the mask with cool water and pat your skin dry with a soft towel. For an extra inflammation fighting boost, cool the cucumber in the refrigerator before preparing your cucumber mask. So for more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend. And thank you so much for watching.